I'm trying to get shredded by the time I turn 30. I'm not a bodybuilder. This is week 4 out of 16. I'm moving these update videos to the end of the week instead of the start, which means it's officially been 4 weeks, about a month, since I started this thing. Maybe it's too early, but I've already been comparing my current photos to my day one. Honestly, I can't believe we're already a quarter of the way to the end. This week was my first pressure test, and I'm, I guess, sort of pleased with how it turned out. For the first 3 weeks, I was doing everything in a vacuum. I could weigh my food, get my steps in, and lift 4 days a week. I wasn't working at all, and that made it easy. Week 4 has been a different story. I worked 4 days this week, about 12 hours each, and I had no control over what foods I was presented. Even still, navigating my choices in a strategic way helped me lose 0.9 pounds on the scale and keep the progress going. I use different methods to weigh myself. Sometimes I use an average over the course of a week. Other times, like this week, I used a weekly low. I find that seeing a brand new lowest number every week helps me avoid the fluctuations day to day. As for my training, it was bad, I guess. It was a planned deload week, and I had intended on running my usual 4-day split at about 70% intensity. Instead, I got one lift in, just upper body. My legs hurt from work. I have 12 weeks left to continue to move the needle down, and a huge part of this journey is showing just how possible it is to get in great shape regardless of the circumstances. If I'm still able to wind up in my best shape with all of that, well, I'd call that the best case scenario. Follow along for more tips that I learn along the way as I aim to get shredded by 30.